Now to a special report and an issue that impacts quite a few of us. The cost of homeowners insurance is predicted to continue to skyrocket in Colorado, even forcing some to consider moving.
New data shows that our state ranks second in the country for the highest rate increases. And just in the last 2 years, homeowners in our state have seen at least a 25% jump in their home insurance bills.
Making matters worse, KRDO 13 Investigates has found that insurance companies may be docking you for claims without your knowledge. In her special report, Secrets and Savings, KRDO 13's Emily Coffey explains what you can do to lower your homeowner's insurance bill right now.
I don't know how these other people are doing it.
As Luann Box, a Colorado Springs homeowner, goes through her bills.
And I'm like, oh my God, how are we gonna do this?
And it's her home insurance bill that's tightening her budget.
So from 2020, it was $1139. And then in 22, it was $1162. 23, it was $1199. Then 24 is $1256, and then for this coming year is $1748.
According to data from an S&P 500 market analysis, Colorado's insurance premium increased 57.9% from 2018 to 2023. And it's predicted to continue rising.
It's actually getting to the point where it's beyond my capability of even being able to pay.
When Kimberly Bolding's homeowner insurance premium went from $1,700 to over $3,000.
My first thought was, why? I can totally understand that the economic situation going on and inflation going on, but 85% is way over.
The answer lies in the numerous natural disasters rolling through Colorado Springs and our state.
They paid $570 million some dollars in just hail claims last year, so it's not profitable. If the insurance company does not make money, they will either raise the rates and or raise the deductibles, or they'll just leave the state.
We need all the secrets.
JP West, an insurance broker in Colorado Springs, warns you may be increasing your bill unknowingly.
If you call and just say, hey, can you come check out my roof? That shows up as a hail claim, and then if you say, oh, never mind, it's not enough damage, or I'm gonna cover it myself, it still shows up as a $0 claim and then counts against your claims experience.
And just a few claims can cost you quite a bit.
If you file more than 2 claims in 5 years, you're going to get dropped, and then you're going to struggle to find coverage at all.
Boosting your credit score could make a huge difference in your rates.
If the husband doesn't have good credit, but the wife does, we'll list the wife's name first, and then it can be a few $100s different.
Insurance companies also consider the condition of your home.
The newer home the newer the construction, the cheaper it is.
Insurance broker Carol Walker says upgrading security features or a roof on an older home could save you hundreds of dollars a year. But you've got to tell them.
You're going to be your best advocate when it comes to saving on homeowners insurance. Your insurance company may not know some of the things you've done recently.
The fastest and easiest way to slash your bill immediately is to raise your deductible.
The more you self-insure, then the lower your monthly rate's going to be.
KRDO 13 Investigates found that upping your deductible by $1,000 can save you as much as 25% on your monthly bill. And another quick way to save up to 15% more.
Bundling your policies for your car, your home, and even your life insurance is something that can give you a significant savings if you do that with the same company.
Our insurance experts also recommended at least looking into switching your insurance provider this year, as loyalty doesn't really save you any money in the long run. Just switching your insurance provider this year could save you hundreds of dollars. Emily Coffey, KRDO 13 Investigates.
Combined with inflation plus the home insurance rates, we're all feeling the pinch.
Good tips there, though.
Yeah.
2 claims in 5 years makes sense. Using whichever spouse has the better credit on the application, that's a good one, too.
Yeah, good tip.